Hey drivers! So many people are driving with damaged tires, and they don't even know. A tire damage is crucial for safety, and some issues aren't always visible at first glance. Today, I will show you how to identify hidden or less obvious tire damage. Check to spot bulges or blisters. Run your hand along the sidewall of each tire. Any bulge or bubble is a red flag. It usually means the internal structure of the tire is damaged, possibly from hitting a pothole or curb. Replace the tire immediately. This can lead to a blowout. Check for tread separation. Look at the tread surface for any uneven areas or parts that seem lifted. A tire may look fine, but if the tread seems to be separating or shifting, it's compromised. Replace the tire. This can cause dangerous handling issues. Inspect the inner sidewall. You'll need to jack up the car or remove the tire to see the inside. Cracks, cuts, or bubbles on the inner wall are often missed. Damage on the inner side is just as serious. Replace the tire if you see issues. Look for hidden punctures. How to check. Spray soapy water over the tread and sidewalls. The signs, small bubbles forming, mean a slow leak. What to do? It's repairable if it's in the tread area. Sidewall punctures are usually not safe to fix. Feel for vibration while driving. How to check. Drive on a smooth road. The signs, vibration in the steering wheel or seat can indicate internal belt damage or a tire out of round. What to do? Have the tires balanced and inspected by a pro. Uneven or strange tread wear. How to check. Look for wear on one edge, in the center, or in patches. The signs may suggest alignment issues, under or overinflation, or internal damage. What to do? Get alignment and suspension checked. The tire may need to be replaced. Tire age and dry rot. How to check. Find the dot code on the sidewall to check age. The signs. You will see tiny cracks in the sidewall or tread blocks indicating dry rot. What to do? Replace tires over 6 years old or with visible cracking. If you bought a second-hand tire, then make sure it's not more than 10 years old. Your tires might look fine, but don't risk it. Inspect them regularly and stay safe on the road. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. For more quick tire tips, you can find only here on TireSho. Many thanks for watching.